In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background video to a Weebly website. If you're looking to give your website that little bit of extra flair, or just want to capture your visitors' attention in a dynamic way, incorporating a background video can do wonders. Thankfully, Weebly makes this process quite straightforward, and I'll be walking you through it step by step, so let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to open the Weebly site editor. This will be your command center for making all the necessary changes to your website. Go ahead and log into your Weebly account, and from your dashboard, click on your website you're updating to enter the editor. This is where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the editor, you'll see your website laid out before you. The next step is to click on the section of your website where you want to add the background video. It could be your home page and About Us section, or anywhere you feel a video would make an impact. Simply hover over the section and click to select it. Once you've clicked on your chosen section, look for the option that says Edit Background. This will allow you to start the process of changing the current background, whether it's an image or a plain color, to your new eye-catching video. Click on Edit Background to proceed. Now you'll see the option to replace the current background image with a video. Look for the button that lets you choose between image and video backgrounds. It's usually clearly marked, so click on that and you're on your way to having a stunning video backdrop. Next, select Add Video. Weebly will give you a couple of options here. You can either choose a video from their gallery, which might include free options, or a selection of stock videos, or you can upload your own video file. If you have a specific file you want, just select that upload option and you'll be able to find it on your device. After choosing a video from the gallery or uploading one from your computer, you will want to select your desired video, browse through the options presented within the gallery or your uploads, and once you've found the perfect one that embodies the look and feel you're going for, click on it. Finally, with your video selected, all that's left is to click on Save. This will apply your changes and voila, your Weebly website now boasts a background video. Do keep in mind that adding a video background often requires a subscription to Weebly, ensuring you have access to this feature. With that last step complete, your website is ready to impress any visitor that comes its way. Thanks for following along and enjoy your newly enhanced site.